So I am having a finance and operations as our backend ERP, and for frontend I am having Magento. And as you can see, this is the product which is available both the side in ERP as well as in Magento. I will be using this particular product to showcase you the inventory synchronization. So for that reason, I am going to increase the quantity for this particular item in finance and operations first. For that reason, I just need to go to this manage inventory and then on hand inventory, of course. And then I need to choose the particular item over here. Then I need to go to this quantity adjustment. Now I have to choose the item from here. So this is the product, as you can see. And now I need to fill out all those details to save the quantity over here. Let's say I'm going to give the mandatory fields to fill out all those details from here, such as I need to give the site, I need to fill out the warehouse, of course. And now I am going to increase the quantity by 50. And now I'm going to save it. So quantity has been updated in finance and operations. Now it will automatically sync to the Magento. So let's just check in Magento if the quantity has been updated. This is the catalog page of Magento or the product page of Magento. Now I am going to search with the product SKU. So yes, this is the product, as you can see, and also in quantity section the quantity has been updated successfully.